Want to get more school leads and fast? In this quick explainer, we'll cover actionable steps to help you boost leads using Skool and how it stacks up against other platforms. Stick around till the end, because I'll be showing you a game-changing alternative that might even be a better fit for your goals. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Skool is a powerful community and course platform, but let's talk about how you can leverage it to generate more leads. First things first, if you're not capturing leads with compelling offers right from the start, you're missing out. Skool has its own unique approach to this, but one of the biggest mistakes users make is not optimizing the landing pages for conversions. The tool does let you customize your offers, but it's easy to overlook how you can fine-tune it to catch your visitors' attention. Spend some time creating a page that really pops and guides visitors smoothly through the process. This is how you turn casual interest into leads fast. Next, engagement is critical. Skool is known for its community features, groups, discussions, and course content, but many users forget that the more you interact with your community, the better your lead generation will be. If you're not actively engaging with your audience, you risk them slipping through the cracks. Use Skool's direct messaging, live sessions, and discussion boards to connect with prospects on a deeper level. Respond quickly to comments, encourage feedback, and host live events to keep them coming back for more. An engaged user is a potential lead waiting to be nurtured. The third thing to consider is your content strategy. With Skool, you have a lot of flexibility to create value-packed courses, but here's the kicker. You can't just focus on selling. It's about offering real value up front. Creating content that's not only educational, but also enticing will pull in leads. Make sure you're positioning yourself as an expert in your niche, share free insights, mini courses, or downloadable resources. The goal is to get people to opt in and learn more. Another key factor, automation. Skool provides some automation tools, but let's face it, they can be a bit limited. So, make sure you're taking full advantage of the integrations available with other tools to automate your lead capture process. If you're serious about scaling, look into integrating email marketing software to follow up with leads automatically. You want to build that nurturing flow as soon as someone shows interest. And here's the secret sauce, using paid ads. Skool is a great platform for organic lead generation, but if you really want to scale fast, consider running paid campaigns. Focus on targeting people who are already interested in online learning, coaching, or niche communities. Ads can be a cost-effective way to quickly fill your pipeline with high-quality leads. Use Skool's analytics to track the performance of your campaigns and double down on what's working. Now, for the fourth thing, you need a strong referral system. Skool's not perfect for this out of the box, but it's flexible enough to allow you to incentivize users to bring in their friends or colleagues. A referral system can quickly multiply your leads by leveraging your existing community. People trust recommendations from others, so you want to make it easy for your current members to spread the word. To wrap this up, I have something special for you. While Skool offers some solid features, there are other platforms out there that are even better suited to generate more leads with less effort, especially if you're aiming to scale fast. I've included an exclusive and extended free trial link to an alternative software that has better tools for lead generation, plus a bunch of other amazing benefits, just for you, the viewers. This platform gives you everything Skool does, plus more advanced features that'll help you hit your lead generation goals even faster. So, check out the link in the description and take advantage of the best free trial offer available. That's the first step towards scaling your lead generation efforts to new heights.